for the trading session. And first of all, let me set up my camera so that we can get started with the trading session. Okay, so hopefully it should be fine now. Okay, much better than before. Okay, guys. So, what about trading, guys? How you people are trading these days? So basically, guys, I have shared the post with my subscribers that we will do we will do the training session at 9 p.m. GMT plus 5, but I just started 9 minutes ago. And the main purpose of starting this coaching session 9 minutes ago is this, because I want my subscribers to be with me so that we can wait for our subscribers so that they can join the trading room, and then we will talk about the technical analysis of the market. Okay, guys, meanwhile, as we wait for the other subscribers to join the trading room, so those subscribers who have already joined the trading room, so the live chat is open. So if you have any questions, so you can ask during this live chat. So I am open to questions in this live streaming videos, and moreover, we will do the technical analysis of the market. So guys, you can see I am using a different set of indicators in the form of red boundaries, and also this is the Forex trend dashboard. Uh, so basically, the trend dashboard is entirely different from the red boundary indicators. It has a different usage, and it's a very good indicator. If you use it wisely, then it can give you maximum good results. Like for example, if you look at this is the gold chart, and currently I am on the 1 hour gold chart. So if you look at here, then we have maximum down signs from the on the gold from 1 minute to the weekly. You can see the forex trend dashboard highlights you about the trend on a particular commodity or a particular currency pair from 1 minute to the weekly. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily get the benefit by using this trending dashboard. Okay, so guys, let's wait for the new subscribers. And so guys, if you can share this live stream, then please, I would like you to share this live stream to the other groups as well as on YouTube, so that we can have maximum number of people in this trading live room. Okay, moreover, guys, those who have joined this trading session till now, those who are already in the trading room, then if they have any inquiry, they can also ask during the live chat option. And also, you can contact me on WhatsApp, which is 923186732851. That's the WhatsApp number. And you can also leave your email on info@of 200forexpips.com. Those subscribers who are willing to get this. Okay, Gusto said, hello sir, Great Britain is now in bank involvement. So Gusto, please let me have a look on Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, so it was particularly, it is perfectly fine, because Gusto, if you look at the trading system, the market went into the top red boundary, and after that, this move was expected that the Great Britain Pound USD was about to go down, because it was expected as per the trading indicators, you can see. And also I'm on the 1 hour chart, and also I'm on the 1 hour of the trading dashboard. So if you look at here, we have only one up sign, and rest all of the signs are into the downward direction. So Gusto, I recommend you, if you don't have this a trading dashboard, or if you don't have these indicators, then I recommend you to contact me on WhatsApp, that is +9231867328851, or you can also leave your email on info@of 200forexpips.com. Okay, Friha Kadri said, how do I get your system? You can contact me on email, and you can also contact me on WhatsApp, and you can get this system from me. So there is also the discount running on the system till 25th of December 2020. So you can get the system at the discounted prices, and the prices will be revised after 25th of December. So make sure that you contact me on WhatsApp, and I will tell you that what is the price of the trading indicators. So these are the different indicators you can see here. Yes, definitely. And if you look at here, the this is the red boundary indicator with the equipped with the arrows. You can see a buy sign was here in the form of white arrow, if you can see here. And then the market has moved into the upward direction. And now when the market has went into the top red boundary, then you can see a clear rejection from that level. Okay, so we are having 5 minutes into the live session, sorry, into the close of this hourly candle. And after 5 minutes, if the market closes below the middle dotted line, you can see there is a middle dotted line here. So if in the next hour, if the in this during this hour, if the market stays below the middle dotted line, then it represents that Great Britain pound USD is further weak and it is supposed to go more down, because as per the trading indicators, this is how we judge the market. Okay, and if you look at the trend dashboard on 1 hour, you can see we have all up sounds, only will only we have one up sign, sorry, and rest of all the signs are coming into the downward direction. And as well as the other indicator is also providing us that the market can go into the downward direction. Hopefully this concept will be is clear to you. Okay. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask during this live session. That's not a problem. I have just allowed the chat here, so you can contact me in case of the questions here. And moreover, let's get started from gold. So, guys, if you look at gold, so if you just have a look on the gold, so what do you think? What's going on here? Look, it's below the middle dotted line. So we have a middle dotted line here, and still the market is below the middle dotted line. It was unable to close above that. Okay, Rihanna Hussaini said, is Euro USD going up? So no, it's not going up. In fact, it's going down. And as per the trading system, this move was very much expected, because the market was already into the overbought levels. And after that, we have seen a clear rejection on Euro USD. And again, I repeat that, guys, if the market closes below the middle dotted line, then the next candles are going to be onto the weaker side of the market, because it looks like that Euro USD is getting the drop. And even on the 1 hour, you can see that as per the Forex trend dashboard, we have 4 downward signs and only 3 up signs. So it's kind of a mixture here, but overall, as per the other red boundary indicator, you can see everything is clear that the market is going down. And let's see, it can be supposed to go further down. Okay, so coming back to gold again, and let's talk about gold. Overall, it was a slow momentum that we have seen today on gold, but it was unable to break. It was able to break the middle dotted line, but unable to close above the middle dotted line. So whenever the market is failed to close above the middle dotted line, then it means that again it's onto the weaker side, and then you can see the gold again come back to its original levels, and then it's down. And if we consult the Forex trend dashboard, you can see on the left hand side of my terminal, then you can see everything is red in the form of down, 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 and only few ups. But it does not mean that you have to consult the whole trend dashboard. No, this is not the way. You have to specify that which time frame you are using. For example, I am on the 1 hour time frame, so I will go here. Julfar Khan, can you provide daily B? Sorry, brother, I don't understand. What do you mean by daily B? Okay, so you have to consult the hourly chart if you are using the 1 hour chart. Guys, please note down that I do not recommend anything less than 1 hour to my subscribers. I recommend everyone to start with at least 1 hour. So below that, it's kind of a risky. Okay, so basically, if you ask any strategy below 1 hour, this is not wise, because the market is very. Yes, brother, I am giving these signals on a daily basis. You can contact on WhatsApp, or you can also contact on info@the rate of 200forexpips.com. So let me take you to the 1 minute chart so that we can see the working of this indicator. Okay, guys, look at here. Overall, I do not recommend the 1 hour chart to anyone, but you know that we do not have much time with the trading live session, so that's why we will just throw some light on the topics, and we will throw some light on the technical analysis. Look, this candle was closed below the middle dotted line, then the next two candles were down because the market was below the middle dotted line. That's why the market has made a weaker sign. Okay, so the main purpose of showing you the 1 minute chart is this, that you need to consult, you need to find such type of trends on the 1 hour chart, because 1 hour chart is very important. Like, look at here, it's still pumping down because the market was below the middle dotted line. So on the 1 minute, it's kind of a lot of volatility. It's really not easy to predict the market onto 1 minute. But guys, if you are going to use this scenario, for example, if you find such type of scenario on the 1 hour, then you can say that it's a very good, it could be a very good trading setup, that market was going below the middle dotted line, and after that the market has received the rejection and the market pumped into the downward size. So this is how you need to understand the market. Okay, and one more thing, guys, I have seen many people that the market is making the downward trend. For example, let's talk about these four candles. The market is making the downward trend, and then they go into their MT4 and they start placing their buy orders, which is completely a wrong approach. This is not the wise way of trading. Okay, never trade against the trend. So first of all, what is the good formula to trade the market? So for example, coming back to the 1 hour, okay, as I have discussed earlier, the new candle has just started of the 1 hour. So I have told you, if it closes below the middle dotted line, then we can have a maximum weaker expectation for the market. Now look at here, the next candle is also supposed to pump down. It's also pumping down right now. So overall, sellers are going to enjoy this market. Look at there on the 1 minute, you can see a loose candles are in appearance. So why? Because you have consulted the market on the 1 hour chart and you come to the point that the market is overall weak. Okay, so it can take up to hours, because the trading that I teach to my subscribers, I teach to my in my coaching sessions is not based on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minutes. It's basically about overlay trading, that you should have a patience to trade the market. If you don't have the patience, then guys, please note that you will not be able to make any kind of money into this forex market. So look, the market closes below the middle dotted line, the next candle is pumping down, and gradually it has chances that it will keep on going down. Look how swiftly gold is going down, just for the reason that 1 hour was closed below the middle dotted line. That's why the next candle is going down. So guys, these are the very powerful indicators, because if you look at here onto the trend dashboard, you have assessed that what is the main direction of the market. So you have come to the point that I am going to take a sell position, because everything is into the downward trend on as per the forex trend dashboard, and as well as you have consulted the other indicator that the market is below the middle dotted line. So selling chances were on gold. Okay, so this is how you need to trade the market. This is not wise that if you are trading the 1 minute chart and one candle pumps up, then you are going to place a buy order. This will be completely a wrong approach, and it is not advisable. Okay, so hopefully this concept must be clear to you. So coming back to 1 hour, look, overall, due to the slow momentum, the market is making slow candles, but overall the market has a kind of a rejection. Okay, so looking at this point of the market, so what happened at this point? Look at here, the market went into the overbought levels as per the trading system, and after that the market was getting the rejection, and coming back here, the hourly candle was closed below the middle dotted line. Let me put another trend line so that it can be easily understandable to you. Look, the candle went down up to here, so it went up to here. So more drop was appeared on the gold. Later on, the gold tried to pump up for the next 3 to 4 hours, and after that it again received a rejection. So guys, until unless you are stick to the main trend, then you will not lose anything in this market. If you are not following the main trend of the pair, then guys, you are going to lose in this market, because this market is not be tradable if you are trading the 1 minute chart, if you are trading the 15 minutes chart, and if you are trading the 5 minutes or 30 minutes chart. I advise you to start your trading practice from 1 hour, and then you can consult up to monthly. Okay, the higher the time frame, the higher profit you can achieve from this market. Okay. So these days the market is bit slow, that's we are into the holiday sessions, and the market will keep slow. Can you provide daily basis signal? Yes, definitely, brother. I provide the signals of the trading market. So I have many subscribers of my signals report, and I send my signals at 12:30 p.m. GMT plus 5, and from 12 p.m. I am taking the coaching sessions. So if you want to join the signals, then you can contact on WhatsApp or the email. Okay. So coming back to 1 minute, look, after a couple of bullish candles, still the market is been tricky here. So let's see what it's going to do here. But overall, it will be the mixture of bullish and bearish candles throughout the pattern. But overall, if you have assessed the market based on the 1 hour, then things will be easy for you. So, guys, I'm just going to talk about the strategy based on 1 hour, and then I will show you some insights of the market from the 1 minute chart. But overall, when you are consulting the market, then you should at least consult the 1 hour chart, and then you can go into the further directions for the time frames. Okay. Now, coming back to Euro USD. So someone has asked the question about Euro USD, that what could be the possible trend here. So guys, if you look at here, then this candle is closed below the middle dotted line. So overall, a weak chance appeared on Euro USD. Yes, it can go up for a couple of candles, or maybe one candle, or maybe this will be not. But overall, if you ask as per the trend indicator, because if you look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 downs are coming on the trend dashboard on the left hand side. You can see 6 downs are coming. Okay. So 6 downs are not, I mean, yeah, we cannot ignore this concept, because 6 downs are very heavy, and Euro USD expected to go further down into the next hour. So let's see, because this is a very clear rejection from the overbought levels. So moreover, if you were trading the market like 2 hours ago, then it was a very good chance to take a sell position on Euro USD, and it has completely went into the downward side. Okay, coming back to 1 minute chart of the Euro USD. Let's see. Okay, the Euro USD 1 minute chart is pumping above the middle dotted line. So until the market is above the middle dotted line, it can go up. But do not forget that this is the 1 minute chart, not the hourly chart, because on the hourly, do not forget, this is how traders get confused between the 1 minute and the 1 hour. Because on the 1 hour, if you look at here, it's into the weaker zone, not into the positive and strong zone, and it should come down as on the 1 hour, 1 minute as well. Because on the hourly, you have assessed the market, so you need to assess the main trend of the market. So overall, it's not into the bullish trend, it's into the weaker zone right now. I'm talking about Euro USD. I'm repeating a bit again. This is the Euro USD chart, and it's into the weaker zone, so it can expect a further downward trend. So let's see a couple of candles here. Overall, if you look at here, we have two ups on the 1 minute, and rest all, and one up on the 1 minute, and rest all of the signs are down as per the Forex trend dashboard. Let's see what happens with this candle. Let's see. So let's see how accurate is this trend dashboard. So we just want to have a look on the market. But overall, guys, please note that there is no 100% strategy when you are especially consulting the 1 minute chart, because 1 minute chart is trading like a crazy person. It's a very crazy chart. It's not easy to predict the market on the 1 minute chart. But overall, definitely you can find some type of good trading opportunities as well on 1 minute chart. But I do not recommend, because I'm a day trader and I love to trade the 1 hour, and I provide my consultancy from 1 hour to the monthly chart as well. Okay, so right now, if you look at here, the market is below the middle dotted line on the 1 minute. So overall, this is a slow volatility going on right now. So that's why I always advise that you should have judged the market on the higher time frame. The higher the time frame, the more reliable will be the results. This is always you need to make sure. So it doesn't mean that if the 1 minute candle closes above the middle dotted line, so let's go ahead and let's take a buy position. No, this will be completely wrong, because if you are trading as per the 1 hour chart, then you should have the patience, and then you should wait for the particular move that you were expecting. Okay. So if we wait for after some time, then it's not about only 1 hour, it's more about waiting for 2 to 3 hours. And sometimes definitely it gives you the results within a 1 hour. And after that, you will come to know that yes, my strategy was right and my trading system was giving me the right analysis from there. So if it breaks above the middle dotted line and closes above, then we are only supposed to say that the market has changed its trend. But however, guys, you need to be focused at that point that also you have to consult the daily candle as well. So if you look at here on Euro USD, I am talking about the 1 hour that it's into the downward trend, but do not forget this point. On the daily, if you look at here, we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven ups with one down only. So it means that on the daily, Euro USD is strong. So why I'm talking about this? Because I'm just going to differentiate you between the difference between the 1 hour and the daily candle. So every time frame has a different scenario from the other time frame. So on the daily basis, on the daily candle, as per the Forex trend dashboard, Euro USD is strong. But however, for the scalping purposes like 2, 3 hours and 1 hour, maybe then you can say that Euro USD can go down. Okay, so always keep yourself updated with the higher time frames of the market. So right now, if you look at here on the weekly, we do not have a single down, we have all ups into the weekly. So that's a very good sign. I mean, if you plan a weekly trade and if you are planning that the market can, if you're planning that you are going to go with a smaller lot and want to go into the longer ride, then you can plan a weekly trade as well as per the trading dashboard. So you can consult the weekly chart, and then it would be wise that if Euro USD come down, for example, let's say if I say that, let's say the Euro USD come down up to here or maybe somewhere here, so then you place your buy orders. This will be more wise. So guys, it is never be I mean it is never advised to place the buy orders during the higher impact of the market. I mean, for example, if we talk about here, then the market was previously made the upward trend, so the price was already high, so buying at these levels is kind of a risky option. So always look for a better price to buy any particular pair, and then take a ride when you are especially going to take a ride for the longer period of time. Okay, so hopefully this concept is clear. So, meanwhile, we continue the coaching session. So, those subscribers who are already into the live streaming trading room, so if they have any questions, they can simply ask during the live chat option here. Okay. So, guys, if you have any questions regarding Forex trading, and then you can simply use the chat box and ask the questions from me, and I will surely try my best to answer your all questions. And in this way, you can improve your trading style, and in this way you can get the help from me. Moreover, those subscribers who do not have the trading systems, who are willing to join the signals and who are willing to book their coaching sessions, they can contact me on WhatsApp, that is +923186732851. And the WhatsApp number is also given in the description of the video, or guys, you can play my recent videos on YouTube, and you will find the WhatsApp number in the link of my in the description of my YouTube videos. And moreover, if you want to email me, then you can use info@200 forexpips.com. That's my official email. Okay, at next we have New Zealand USD. Okay, guys, the same situation like going with the Euro USD. So look at this candle. This candle was closed below the middle dotted line. So guys, what could be the next move? So simple is this, that we are expecting the further downward trend on NZD USD, because this candle has taken the turn back and it has gone towards the another side of the market. So let's see the what could happen with the next candle, but overall the bearish signs can come into the market. Okay, if we go to the 1 hour trend dashboard, then we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 downs on the 1 hour as well. So representing the downward trend on on the New Zealand USD. However, if we consult the higher time frame like daily, then you can see on the daily we have only one down, and rest of all time frames are saying that we are supposed to go up. So coming to the 1 minute chart of this, so guys, if I prepare the trend line, then you can assess the trend easily. For example, look at this trend. Look, it is already telling you that I'm going into the downward trend. Okay, let me switch that trend line so that it could be easy for you to understand. Look, this is showing you that I'm going down, and look, the market is going down. Okay, so whenever you see such type of scenarios into this market, then it is not wise to take a buy position in that scenario. So look, it's making a weaker candle right now on the 1 hour. So why we are supposed to take a buy positions? This will be completely a wrong approach. This is not the wise approach. Okay. So be careful with this. Always stick to the 1 hour, that what 1 hour says to you. For example, 1 hour says maximum downs. So you should be going to place some orders that are based on the sell trading, not the buy trading. So this is how you need to use the trading system. So I am explaining that how to use the red boundaries and how to use the middle dotted line, as well how to consult the trend dashboard so that it can make your trading quite simply simple. Okay, look at Great Britain pound USD. Also, someone has asked the question before, what's happened with Great Britain pound USD. So brother, this move was already expected because the market was into the overbought levels, and after that it has received the rejection. So if you talk about the hourly, then the candle was closed below the middle dotted line. What should be the next move? After 1 or 2 hours, maybe we expect the downward move on Great Britain pound USD. And if you look at the 1 hour trend dashboard, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 downs and 2 ups here. So 6 downs means that it's a significant sign that the currency pair is into the weaker zone. However, if we consult the daily time frame, then we have 3 ups and 3, 4, 5 ups and 3 downs. So it means that it's kind of a 50-50 signal as per the trend dashboard, that it is giving you the 50-50% signal that the trend is basically mix up with the bullish and bearish. So here you need to be careful. So never trade such pairs which are making the pattern of a mixture 50-50%. So you cannot rely on these because it would be good to switch to another pair. So let's move ahead, and we are going towards USD JPY. So guys, we are currently on a USD JPY chart. If you look at here, the market has reached to the overbought levels as per the trading system, right? Okay. So here you can see a slight bearish candle. So we are unsure at the moment. So for example, if the 1 hour goes into the downward trend, then from the next hour we can go with the selling positions. So let's consult the 1 hour chart on the trend dashboard. So on the trend dashboard, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ups and 2 downs. Okay. So here it is showing us the maximum up on the 1 hour. But however, if you consult the daily, then we have one up and rest of the down signals on USD JPY. So guys, what does this mean? Because it is showing us that on the 1 hour we are up and on the daily we are down. So guys, look, when you are going to do the scalping into this trading market, then you will have to consult the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart is suggesting you the up. So it can go slightly up. Yes, I agree with this. So, but if you are consulting the daily, I mean, on the daily candle, it's, I mean, if we talk about the tomorrow or maybe the day of tomorrow, then USD JPY indicates that as per the Forex trend dashboard, that it can go onto the weaker side. So it means that overall perfectly, it's not into the bullish trend. For the shorter time frame, USD JPY definitely has made the upward move, but overall we are unsure that what the market can go into the further direction. So always be careful with such type of scenarios. Coming to the 1 minute chart of USD JPY, so guys, look, the market was closed above the middle dotted line, and then if I prepare the trend line on this, then you can see that the market is pumping up. So overall, a sweet upward trend here. Yes, definitely it could be right on the 1 hour and the other time frames, that if you look from 1 minute to 30 and even 1 hour, it's showing that I can go up. So maybe scalping chances are on USD JPY into the upward direction, but not onto the longer time frames, because on the longer time frames, the signs are still red, and we can expect the downward trend. So guys, that's why I say that this Forex trend dashboard is very, very useful and it's very powerful. And I always recommend that those subscribers who do not have the trend dashboard, those who do not have the red boundary indicators, they can contact me on WhatsApp, or they can also contact me on info@200forexpips.com, and they can get the trading indicators from me. And you can also join the signal service, and you can also book your coaching sessions with me by contacting me on WhatsApp. Okay. Next, we have AUD USD. Okay, guys, the similar situation. Look, there is no difficulty in using these indicators. Look, the hourly candle is closed below the middle dotted line. We have already explained this scenario, that when the hourly candle closes below the middle dotted line, then it's kind of a sign of a weaker expectation of the market. And look, the loose candle is in appearance on AUD USD, so it can have a further drop. If we go to the 1 hour Forex trend dashboard, then it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down and 3 ups. So it means that 5 downs are good to understand that the overall it's into the weaker side if we talk about the scalping. But however, if we go to the daily, then guys, daily are all ups as the trend dashboard. So it means that if you are willing to plan a longer trade on AUD USD, then it would be wise that let the market drop. So for example, let's say if it drops up to here, or maybe if it drops up to here, because if you look at here, from here the market again started to go into the upward direction. So let's say if the market gets a drop, and better to go with the lower price, and then you can write down these trends, and you can later on follow these guidelines, that buying at a lower price is much useful than buying at the higher price. So this is how you can do zigzag trading with the trading indicators. Okay. So overall, the momentum is a bit slow, because you know that today it was Monday. So Monday are a bit slow for the trading market. At next, we have USDCHF. Okay, so USDCHF closed above the middle dotted line, but right now the candle is pumping down below the middle dotted line. But guys, this candle isn't closed till now. If you look at the price monitor, it is also perfected into the upward direction with the green sign. So let's see how accurate is this. So overall, on the 1 hour, it says upward trends, but if it you need to watch the market. So sometimes the market makes a tail. For example, look at this candle. After this is the bullish candle, but previously it was going down, it makes a bearish tail, bullish tail, and then it went up. So let's see if the market is able to break that level, then it can go up. But overall, right now it's into the waiting zone, that you have to see that what's going on. But overall, if you look the 4 hour, it says down. If you look at the daily, it says down. If you look at the weekly, it says down. It means that higher time frames are telling you about the weakness of this pair, not the strength of this pair. So if we talk about, if we prepare a trend line from here to here, then you can see that the market is overall making the downward pattern. So it's good that you are not going against the trend. So always try your best to follow the main trend of any particular pair. So with the single bullish candle, you can be deceived, and later on the market can be into the same direction, which is the downward trend. So this is how you need to assess the market and watch the market like this. USD Canadian dollar, very simple trade. So guys, if you look at here, overall the market has went into the upward direction. So if you look at here, then you can see the hourly candle was closed above the middle dot line. The next candle also went bullish. So it was very simple to trade that pair. However, do not forget, it's just up onto the shorter time frames. But if we consult the higher time frames, then you can see it's indicating the downward trend. So let's see about the market later on. Overall, Great Britain pound USD remained quite slow during the day, but overall still above the middle dotted line. So until unless the market is above the middle dotted line, it can be bullish. And overall, if you look at the trend dashboard, it's kind of a mixture. So you cannot, I mean, it's a 50-50%, you can say up and down. So why it's saying a 50-50% signal? Because you can see overall the market has kept into a range. It has gone nowhere. So we cannot easily decide where the market can go into the next direction. Okay, USD JPY, very simple. Look, this candle was closed above the middle dotted line. The next two candles are bullish as per the trading system. Even we have seen a buy signal from the scalper. The market has went up. If we consult the Forex trend dashboard, then you can see, guys, all of the time frames are maximum up with few downs. So it means that it was easy to understand the market, that the market can go into the upward direction. So it was a very simple trade. At last, I will throw some light on AUD JPY. So overall, guys, if I put the line here, then you can see that the market is going nowhere from many hours. So basically, it's stuck into the range overall. So you cannot easily do anything with such a raining market. But overall, if you look at the daily and weekly time frames, then it is consulting us with the upward trend. So let's see when the market will catch some momentum from tomorrow, then we can do the further analysis. So guys, I will try my best to come online tomorrow at same time, that will be 9 p.m. GMT plus 5 for the live streaming, and I will keep you updated about the technical analysis of the market. So make sure, guys, that you have subscribed 200 Forex Pips on YouTube, and you should join the technical analysis this live streaming, so that it can help you to your trading style. Moreover, those subscribers who are willing to get these trading systems that are attached on the chart in the form of red boundaries, and also this trend dashboard indicator, and also the red boundary indicators, then they need to contact me on WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp number is +92318 6732851. And if you have any inquiries, you can also email me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you can contact me on WhatsApp, and we are going to end this live streaming right now. And let's see what your questions are about, and I will try my best to answer your all inquiries. Thank you very much for watching this live streaming. And guys, from tomorrow, please come online at 9 p.m. GMT plus 5, and we will do the another session tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys. Best of luck.